What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Today we're going to break it down for you guys how to master your finances, guys. You want to be a financial black belt out here. You want to be a financial Michael Jordan, financial Floyd Mayweather, guys. You really want to be in tune with your finances to the point where you feel comfortable having money. You feel comfortable making money. So a lot of times, like we said, guys, it's not necessarily a lack of financial literacy, just a lack of financial discipline. So today we're going to show you and teach you how to master your finances.
Starting at number one, we have income. Guys, you gotta budget. You gotta know where your money's going when you receive it. Some people, what they like to do is automatically, as soon as they receive the direct deposit in their banking system, it goes towards their savings account. It goes to something. Make sure that you have a proper system of how to manage your money. Your income's very important, but also managing your income is even more important, guys. Make sure you have a budget. Make sure your finances are being allocated appropriately.
And with that being said, guys, we really want to drive home this point with number two, expenses, guys. You want to make a log of all your expenses. That's your cost of living, that's your bills, that's your debt that you have. If you have debt, that's all those things in one. You really want to make a list of them and have a good idea of how much debt you're carrying, and also what are your monthly bills. What are your monthly bills? You should know these numbers off the top of your head like you know the back of your hand, guys, right? So you want to get in tune with your expenses.
Next, guys, we have investing. Guys, you want your money to work for you. Find a financial advisor. There's many out there, but find someone you can trust. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you're not just listening to someone tell you how to manage your hard-earned money. Make sure you understand and your expectations of where your money's going, what your money's going to do, and the overall outlook of the whole thing. Make your money work for you. Invest in index funds, ETFs, bonds, stocks, gold, whatever it may be. Just do your research, invest. We are not financial advisors in any way, but make sure that you are studying and investing.
I always talk about, guys, one of the simple and easiest ways to invest, guys. Robinhood, Acorn, Webull, guys. Very simple, guys. You can do it right from your phone, and it's a simple, easy process, guys. And at number four, guys, very simple, planning, guys. Planning. You gotta plan and keep it simple. You gotta have an emergency fund, 1 year's worth of savings, right? You wanna have investment accounts as well, like we just talked about. Your insurances, right? Life insurance, health insurance. You wanna be secure across the board, guys. The last thing you wanna worry about is what ifs and what ifs and all this kind of nonsense, right? So number four, planning, guys. So if you lock down all these four things, you're gonna be a financial expert on your finances, right? You'll be a financial black belt, so that way you know everything that's going on. You know how much money you're making, you know your expenses, you know how to invest as simple as possible, and you also have a plan for your life, your money, and potentially your family. Well, with all that being said, guys, this is how you're gonna master your finances. Like, comment, subscribe below. Live eventually. The world is yours.